This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about milk pitchers, specifically this 12-ounce glass milk carton pitcher. So this is an adorable take on the kind of traditional paper milk cartons. It's very reminiscent of school lunch, right? I can see some chocolate milk in here, super adorable, but it's glass, and it's a nice thin but sturdy glass, which gives it a really beautiful, sweet little look. And this is kind of a perfect touch because it's a nice 12-ounce size, so it's going to be great for coffee service. If you're looking to serve milk, cream, or another non-dairy milk alternative to guests or customers alongside coffee, this is a cute, sweet little way to do it. It has a kind of vintage feel to it, and it's that kind of extra special touch that'll just kind of level up your service. The clear glass is dishwasher safe and nice and sturdy, right? And it has a nice flat base as well, so it's a nice kind of stable one to put out there. It's a great vintage feel to it because of the design and a lot of little cute detail to it. So it's perfect for use at home, in a cafe or restaurant, just to add that special touch to an afternoon tea or a coffee service, but it's even adorable for snack time. So if you're looking to serve something like juice or even milk alongside cookies, this is a great one, and it can be used for both hot and cold beverages.